And now last week they come back and say, hey, you scammed us. They scammed your family. You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you? Cheap man.
Nasa Nana Kupado, why am I corrupt? Was Kama Meda? Why my dad am so this mass on a man was he? Mention baby no other cancer. And I know the OSP and Owusu man. And what to be you? And your body. I know the Yammy very from my mother. I know your wash it. The Mommy and Canana Kupado, the Timothy. And Jampa was Shenya being pa when female the Africanaso. I'll quit you more daily.
What a foolish kind of thing is this?
Nana Mimisa said the pulpit, which is the sacred place of God, no, is it to settle political scores? Why do you go to church? Is it to listen to your political scores or to listen to the word of God? Yes, you know, I said the original pulpit and okay Bible mwasem. Adeti na nede asofo aba eno so na ye ne sabe asofo ketua enya eno so na ye ba settle scores.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bempah. Pacho baby, I will be having check a CMA. On subscribe, mammy to now on Saka. I said, Miss How Asem, is the church for you or for God? Puppet ne ejina so pacho wanya dia. Wanya dia, nipa dia na enyame dia. I said, Miss Asem simple. Nieti am pese Miss no, Badu Kobi, or kwaso na Sunday preaching no, on your most in preaching or the end or the settle on the personal scores. Was you Owusu Bempah per se political party bina esina sorry diamond and yam nam time Badu Kobi ngo tie mbra.
And now last week they come back and say, hey, you scammed us. They scammed your family. You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you? Cheap man.
Nasa Nana Kupado, why am I corrupt? Was Kama Meda? Why my dad am so this mass on a man was he? Mention baby no other cancer. And I know the OSP and Owusu man. And what to be you? And your body. I know the Yammy very from my mother. I know your wash it. The Mommy and Canana Kupado, the Timothy. And Jampa was Shenya being pa when female the Africanaso. I'll quit you more daily.
What a foolish kind of thing is this? Build a place for God to dwell. You are buying cars. And then you are waiting for the president. Any politician who make a mistake and give such man of God money, they will live under curse. Useless man. A certain gentleman met me some few weeks ago. Said, Daddy, so when they are calling you NDC prophet, how did you feel? I said, I felt good. Then I asked him, do you know why? NDC is also an organization. In life, when God says stand here, you stand there. God told me. And in 2016, he told me what he told me. And so I stood where I stood. And I was wiser than those fools who were misbehaving. The Ghana will have calipo. And now you come and say, the president scammed me. What a shame to even let this come from your mouth. No president helped me. I built my auditorium. No president helped Badu Nyamiche. He built his auditorium. No president helped other men of God. They built that. Only you want politicians to build for you. What a shameful man. Disgraceful man. You are getting money, buying cars. Doing nonsense things. You won't build auditorium, waiting for a political party. What a shame. And his followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense. And then they come and say, Badu Kobi is low in prophecy, no problem. Those who sat and spoke, I prophesied all of them. Go and ask Abeku Santana. Badu Kobi spoke to one of these guys, and he went into Abeku Santana. It happened. I'm mentioning Abeku Santana. Abeku Santana came with Ohima Mercy and husband Isaac Chumampofo to my office, and Abeku Santana came to say thank you. If for this not prophecy, I would have died. DSP or it's now ACP. What's the name? The one who sings. Kofi what? Sapon. You were here in this room when I prophesied about his death. And he had the accident. The car was removed, the top was removed. He came out. He rushed here to thank God. Who are they talking about? Your man of God, only election, he rushed. Say, this one win. I know where he gets his thing from. Let them challenge me. The way I'll prove something to them, they won't stop. They will not be able to talk again. We started a year. Badu Kobi has prophesied. I said Donald Trump, America, they will lose jobs. Is it not happening or not? Go and check. Let the man of God bring his prophecy for the year and listen, even if one has happened. They speak nonsense and I look at them and I laugh. I say, you people, you are fools. And when I say that, then they don't know what to do than to insult Badu Kobi. You can't insult me. I'm beyond insult. You've insulted me over the years. I'm still here. Which insult again? You've insulted me over and over, Badu Kobi. I'm still here. Which insult can kill me? And you won't learn sense and you are still insulted. I don't care. I will always say the truth. Because some of us, after years, we say, I'm on the social media, so I'm saying for them to hear. Who born dog?
I wear a beef or beef when you tolo beef, where you are no beef, you can straight. Then say the pulpit, which is the sacred place of God, no, is it to settle political scores? Why do you go to church? Is it to listen to your political scores or to listen to the word of God? Yes, you know, Quenya, I said, you imagine a pulpit and okay, Bible wasem. I did the net there as software ba and no sooner ye sabi as software ketua and ye no sooner the Bible settle scores. Maybe Bawa so na yes I walk out. Everyone was saying go for no attitude what na etie. Utie dey. Me ba some me tie nyamesem. Say what na Obabeka obi wansem there, let me go home and rest because I don't need us. But most often no asori for na ye kon we bi na ekotie. Ba nyo kan so dey hu o se Owusu Bempah. Ni enti a wo hye political commission ni na say opese asofo na si na so dey man Owusu Bempah ka say na atro na isu a. Eto opese o asofo bi ti say John Mahama abai na kwayi asori kwayi like boyi ti say nia ya friend say Akufo-Addo so okọ dada Nyankopon no na nka Mahama so fa bi endada Owusu Bempah sana Badu Kobi ka. Iyana de yema na me ya no ono ya no. But we be say wasem you. Do we speak the mind of God or do we speak our own minds? Do we prophesy for our personal gains and then you prophesy the mind of God? Because say prophecy no senya Badu Kobi Canada. They say Owusu Bempah prophecy no yenina and the personal prophecy to what? Profits from it. Na nyame wa muka itama ye che yewura Owusu Bempah no. Was sa time na Akufo-Addo when timi amba prison cell ho ameyi na mfi dampare nsem enu nti no masa you know ya okọ eno mate say your friend said dampare John Mahama say onko how true it is I don't know but last 2 weeks meeting say Owusu Bempah ebisa say na dampare eye de wo ho now have we turned this country into a spiritual circus and as a concert party asabi was software anyame na meto abama no ono ba detect what happens in what this country. Is that how we've reduced our governance to theatricals? I mean, religious theatricals. Then we are just there. Obi wa no bontim no aka assembly be finichim ya, which is not even the mind of God. Bibi say asem because I'm quite sorry. Na sabe obeka me boni na menu me ho na masesa na enye sa na wo ye ba me du asori dem a ade a ye odi dada bi a wo na wo cause ye ko for bituo eni ko jiro bi dem a ye chill ko prison. I know to which I say, Adetina, they release you. Bonina, why they should release you because you are what? God? You are not God. You speaking like ocean coming does not make you God. You are a human being. You will die 6 feet. You go just like me. So what makes you special? No matter fire drain and not you because I saw funny Jimmy Addo. And yes, I am more sad to talk because I said preaching no preaching na so preaching no preaching and nyamia sem and your mama sem no mo kan because nyamia sem and your mo kan e bo bria e de no so for kwatutuo e de no so for ultimi kase obi e de no so for ultimi fa nkofo e body pa epo and you say ya twi nipa na ba ya kwase nipa and you call yourself a man of God. I don't call this a man of God. Yeah. I expose you. Your friend Bruce. Also subscribe. Me the Tumpa announce I can be Manuel.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.